Today we're going to show you how to use Meguire's plastX to restore clarity to hazy headlights. Cutting-edge advancements in micro-abrasive technology gently remove surface stains to clean, clear plastics. Vital conditioning oils restore optical clarity, while highly water-resistant polymers provide long-lasting, durable protection. plastX is non-toxic and does not contain any harsh solvents. As a first step, I like to use a more abrasive towel to remove contaminants and oxidization from the glass or plastic lens surface. I recommend a cotton or terry cloth blend. Apply the product liberally to the towel and work in tight circular motions. Be sure to reapply the product as necessary. Use a non-abrasive microfiber towel to remove excess product and to buff to a crystal clear finish. And there you have it, an easy way for you to give your headlights that like-new look again.